Ramia, perfect. The UAE's energy minister says OPEC Plus's production cut was a pure technical decision, and Zain Saudi Arabia transfers ownership of its unit Zain Business Limited to the Public Investment Fund. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. The UAE Minister of Energy and Infrastructure, Suhail Al-Mazroui, this morning emphasized that the OPEC Plus decision to cut production by 2 million barrels per day was not the result of Saudi influence. Al-Mazroui tweeted this morning saying, "I would like to clarify that the latest OPEC Plus decision, which was unanimously approved, was a pure technical decision with no political intentions whatsoever." The comment comes as the White House says it's reevaluating U.S.-Saudi relations and American security assistance to the kingdom. Meanwhile, over the weekend, Saudi King Salman bin Abdulaziz Al Saud said the kingdom is working hard to support stability and balance in oil markets. In an address to Saudi's Advisory Shura Council, King Salman said the kingdom is doing so by establishing and maintaining the agreement of the OPEC Plus alliance. And Saudi's Defense Minister Prince Khalid bin Salman Al Saud said the decision by OPEC Plus to cut output was taken unanimously and for purely economic reasons. Mobile telco firm Zain Saudi Arabia has transferred ownership of its unit Zain Business Limited to the Public Investment Fund, paving the way for the sale of the company's towers infrastructure. PIF has changed the unit's name to the Golden Lattice Investment Company. It will become the holding company in charge of the sale of Zain KSA's towers infrastructure units. The sale of 8,069 tower assets over to a PIF-led consortium was approved in February, with the deal valued at just over $800 million. Bayan, a geospatial and data analytics company owned by Abu Dhabi's G42, plans to sell a 22% stake or 571.4 million shares in an IPO. The firm plans to sell the shares at 30 cents apiece, seeking to raise $171.1 million. The IPO will run from October 21st to the 25th. The company expects to list its shares on the ADX on October 31st. Officials say their listing gives investors exposure to one of the region's leading high-growth AI-powered geospatial intelligence businesses. Global financial assets are set to see their biggest contraction this year since the 2008 financial crisis. Allianz says they're set to contract 2% in 2022 as growth over the next 3 years is expected at 4.6%. In contrast to the 2008 global financial crisis, which was followed by a relatively swift turnaround. This time, the midterm outlook is bleak. Average nominal growth of financial assets is expected to be at 4.6% until 2025, compared with 10.4% in the preceding 3 years. And Elon Musk says his rocket company SpaceX will continue to fund its Starlink internet service in Ukraine, citing the need for good deeds. It comes just a day after he said it could no longer afford to do so. Musk tweeted, "The hell with it. Even though Starlink is still losing money and other companies are getting billions of taxpayer dollars, we'll just keep funding Ukraine government for free." The service has helped civilians and military stay online during the war. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.